Looking to turn your portable Pathway X1 or Carryout G2 antenna into a permanent fixture on your RV roof? This roof mount kit offers a straightforward solution, designed for quick, coax-only installation. It includes everything you need: mounting feet, a cable entry plate, a wall plate, and a complete hardware package. What makes this kit stand out is its ability to convert your existing portable antenna into a durable, roof-mounted unit without the hassle or cost of buying a new permanent antenna. Compatible with Carryout G2, G2 Plus, and Pathway X1 models, it's built to fit seamlessly and hold up to the demands of the road. One satisfied customer shared their experience upgrading to the G2 Plus Winegard antenna. After their old Winegard antenna lasted 6 years but couldn't be repaired, they needed a replacement. The mounting feet from their previous setup didn't fit the new G2 Plus, but this kit arrived quickly and fit perfectly, saving them time and extra expenses. Installation is simple and fast, requiring just the coax cable connection. That means less time fiddling with complicated parts and more time enjoying your trip. Plus, the kit's components are designed for a clean, secure fit that keeps your antenna stable in all weather conditions. If you're considering a permanent antenna setup on your RV, this roof mount kit is worth a look. It's a cost-effective way to upgrade your system without replacing the entire antenna. The kit's compatibility with multiple antenna models adds flexibility for your current or future gear. Available through Amazon with no shipping fees for Prime members, this kit ships quickly, often within 5 days. That fast delivery means you won't have to wait long to upgrade your RV setup and enjoy better TV reception on the road. Why settle for a temporary solution when you can have a reliable, permanent antenna mount? This kit provides what you get: easy installation, strong compatibility, and a smart upgrade path for your RV's entertainment system. If that's you, someone ready to improve your RV antenna setup without breaking the bank, try this roof mount kit when you're ready. It's a practical investment that pays off with convenience and long-term reliability.